The country is well into the second wave of the coronavirus pandemic, and the Ministry of Health says with the positivity rate at a high of 15% to 20% over the last 3 days, it will be your family's responsibility to take care of the positive asymptomatic patients.
A second wave of this disease, and the balance between keeping our economy running and keeping people safe is one that is obviously creating its own challenges.
The Ministry of Health CS Mutahi Kagwe comparing the limited bed capacity in hospitals to the manner in which Kenyans have dropped their guard on containment measures.
That those people being managed at home get well much faster, very quickly, than those ones who are hospitalized. We have also known and witnessed cases where individuals are contaminated by other infections in hospitals and then pass away because of something else, even though they were taken to hospital because of Covid-19.
Kagwe says in addition to the president's call for an urgent meeting next week, the ministry will hold a meeting with the Council of Governors Friday that will determine the direction moving forward over the surge in cases.
Round about July was about 13% positivity rate. The day before yesterday, we had a positivity rate of 20.2%. Yesterday, we were at 15%. Today, we are once again at 15%.
This coming as the country recorded another high number of daily deaths, with 14 succumbing to the virus in the last 24 hours, while another 761 people tested positive for the virus.
Yesterday, we have lost 54 lives to the disease this week alone. And I'm sad to report that today, once again, we have lost another 14 patients. This brings our cumulative fatality to 964 persons.
The Ministry of Health continues to warn Kenyans over the lack of individual responsibility, which may lead to the reimposing of strict containment measures.
The virus, God forbid, I want you to remember that you would have to take them to that hospital which you have helped build, which you have helped facilitate, which you have helped organize, because there is nowhere else for them to go.
Meanwhile, Kagwe says about 1,200 healthcare workers have been infected by the virus since the second wave started, while at least 16 have succumbed to the virus. Diana Rachel Mbogwa, Ibru TV.